for the movement and mindfulness break? My goodness, give me one moment. I need to change my glasses. There we go. Oh, wrong ones. That's much better. My name is Sully the Scientist, and today we are going to be doing a movement and mindfulness break that has to do with the brain. Scientists study different things in the world to try to understand them. One of those things, the brain. Point to where the brain is in your body. That's where my brain is. So today, I want to ask you a question. Did you know that your brain has two sides that work together to help you read, write, balance, make decisions, and more? It's fascinating, really. You have two sides of your brain. You have the left side and the right side. The left side of the brain helps you do math and speak languages and recall facts and ideas and logic. What makes sense? And the right side of the brain helps you be creative, helps you make art. It tells you how you're feeling, and it helps you use your imagination. Those are the two sides of your brain. So everyone, put your hand on the left side of your brain. That's right, very good, left side of the brain. Put your hand on the right side of your brain. Very good, right side of your brain. Did you know that movements that cross the midline help your two brain sides to work together even better? I'll show you. Two sides of the brain work together to make something even better. The midline, you ask, what is that? I will show you. Stand up nice and tall, point to the top of your head, and draw a line right down the middle. That, my friends, is your midline, and when you do movements that cross the midline, you help the two parts of your brain to work together to be even smarter. Are you ready to try it? Let's do it! Move your body like a washing machine. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Cross that midline. Make your brain smarter. Now let's do 10 march knee taps like this. Tap your opposite knee. See how I'm crossing across? Get those knees up nice and high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, my friends. Now we are going to do 10 plank shoulder taps. You did this last week, I think. Well, you made a plank on the ground. Let me bring this down so you can see me. Can you see me now? Oh, that's a little close. Is that better? Good. Put your feet out straight and your hands underneath your shoulders, and you're going to cross over and tap your shoulders, the opposite side, 10 times. Make sure that your body is nice and straight so you don't fall. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, don't forget to breathe, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Lower your knees to the ground. Very well done. Now we are going to do 10 planks. Wait, no. I read my notes wrong. We already did that. We're going to do 10 squats. So stand with your legs apart, out of your shoulder length. And we're going to bend at the knees with your arms crossed in front. Try that. Cross your knees. No, not your knees. Bend your knees. Cross your arms, very well done, and squat down. You don't want to squat forward, you want to squat down, nice and straight. Very well done, let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm getting tired, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. That felt wonderful, but I need a little break. Let's keep our legs spread apart and just bend your back forward like this. Just hang. Oh, that's quite relaxing, really. Breathe in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, And out through your mouth. Let your head hang and your arms hang. See if you can touch the floor. I can't. Even though you can't see it, I promise I'm not touching the floor. One more deep breath in. This helps your blood to flow through your body and helps you get oxygen to your brain, which makes it work better, makes you smarter and stronger. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands... You can't see me now, can you? There we are. That's much better. Well, hello, there we are. You're going to stay with your feet on the ground. So we were here, yes. So put your hands on the ground and crawl forward a little bit. Put your feet together and push up. You can't really see me, but I'm like this. Yes, perfect. With your bottom in the air, your legs are straight, and your hands are pushing you up. 3 deep breaths. Oh, that feels lovely. 2 more. This one's called Downward Dog. Oh, that felt lovely. Now what you're going to do is you're going to carefully lower your knees to the ground, and you're going to put your toes together and spread your knees apart, like this. Then you're going to sit down and stretch forward as far as you can go. Put your head down gently on the ground and take 3 deep breaths with me. My goodness, I can feel the oxygen coming into my body and it feels so wonderful. Now what you're going to do is sit crisscross with your body sitting up nice and tall, crisscross applesauce. Perfect, lovely. Now put your arms out in front of you, take your right hand, cross it over on top, and give yourself a nice big hug. Don't forget to take a nice big breath, you see, it's very important. And let it go. Put your arms out again, switch your arms, put your left arm on top. And give yourself a nice big hug, because you're the best. Aren't you just the best? I think you're the best. Now, my friends, this isn't called a movement and mindfulness video for no reason. So we're going to talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness, what does it mean? Mindfulness means to be thinking about what's happening right now, and only that. So we are going to listen to our heartbeats. You can put your hand on your chest. Your heart is on the left side of your body. Put your hand or your hands on your chest and feel your heartbeat. Try to listen for it. Try to feel it. There's 2 other places that are really easy to find your pulse. Well, perhaps not easy, but if you practice it a little bit, practicing makes things a little bit easier, doesn't it? So right behind your neck, underneath your ears, take 2 fingers and feel around until you feel boom, 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 boom. That's the blood flowing through your veins. It beats just like your heart. Can you feel it? It's alright if you can't. Sometimes it's tricky. I have to move around a little bit before I can find it. But when you find it, stay there for a bit and listen and feel it. That means your body's working. Isn't that fascinating? Another place you can find it is on your arm. So, as you can see, there's some little lines here. These are the bones. But you want to go a little bit to the side nearest your thumb. And you're going to press down with 2 fingers. I can feel my pulse. Sometimes you need to move it around a little bit so you can find it, but once you find it, just listen to your breathing. Feel your pulse. Bum, 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 bum. Close them. Isn't our body fascinating? The brain. I'm going to show you my picture again. So amazing that you have two sides of your brain that can work together to make you even smarter than you are right now. What I personally love about science is that I get to study living things. Go and write that down. I have an observation to make. Well, thanks so much for joining me today for our movement and mindfulness break, and I will see you next week for next time.